before the main part of this video begins, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone who has watched my previous video. It was 2 weeks ago, I shaved my head. Things didn't exactly go to plan, and it is at nearly 100 views, and that is mind-blowing. That's the most amount of views any of my videos have got. There's about 66 on this channel so far, so it's very, very much appreciated. Thank you all ever so much for taking time out of your day to watch a silly 22-minute long video of a man failing to do a simple task. Thank you all very much appreciated. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ed. Hello. I haven't made a video in several weeks. Again, same as last time, it's going to be a shaving video today. Not my head, but my face. Yeah, just been a bit busy. Things are sort of slowing down a bit now, so hopefully going to go for a walk at some point this week and bring you all along with me. If that sounds interesting, then stick around, maybe even subscribe if you want to check that out. I make videos about a whole range of things, they're not just shaving videos. Recently they've all been shaving videos, but they've just been, I just make videos about this and that and everything really. So today, as I said, we're going to shave my face. I have a new blade in my razor. I have my cream in my bowl. So now what I need to do is just wet my brush. It's synthetic, so it doesn't need soaking. Little factoid there. Wet my brush, squeeze out some of the water, mix up a lather, and then we're going to get into it. What I also need to do before I rinse this out is wet my face, because I haven't done that yet. So I've been playing around with how much water to add to the lather, because I'm still sort of relatively new to wet shaving. So what I'm going to do, just squeeze out a teeny bit of water, because I've got a fair amount of cream in my bowl. I think it's probably too much cream. We will see. So I'm going to put a bit more water in actually, I think, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so we're gonna, that'll do. Okay, let's mix up a lather. Ooh, it's coming out of the bowl. Now, I don't know if that's too wet. That might be too wet. If it is, I'm not really too sure how to come back from a lather if it's too wet. I don't know if that will be the lather ruined and we'll have to start again, but we'll see. We'll see. We've got our brush loaded up. Gonna wet my face again. I was gonna say something, but I've forgotten what it was. It's not important. We'll come back to it. If I remember it, I'll come back to it. So, just going to go now, plonk it on the face. Is that still too dry? I honestly don't know. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I think it looks all right. But part of me also thinks it's still a teeny bit too dry. But we'll give the first pass a go and see what happens. Okay, let's get on with the first pass. First pass with the grain. It feels slick. Like, it feels slick. So I think the lather's alright. Please tell me in the comments if it's too dry or whatever. Please be nice to me though, don't be rude. No one likes someone being rude. Okay, that's the first pass done. What we're going to do now, rinse all this off, reapply the lather, and then we'll go across the grain. Always get it in that ear. Okay, relather. Oh, what is that about? Relather, and then we'll go across the grain. Yeah, I'm growing this bit and the moustache back just because I kind of miss, well, I mean, I like having facial hair, but I also like shaving, but I also can't really grow a nice looking beard. So yeah, I went clean shaven, and I kept this bit from my beard, and it was a bit long, and I sent it to a group chat of people that I'm in, and they were like, ha ha ha, you look like a goat. And I was like, I don't know if I'm happy looking like a goat, so I shaved it off. But then I thought I kind of liked it, so that's why I'm growing it back. I don't care if I look like a goat. Goats are cute. Goats are cute. Right, second pass across the grain. Now this will be a 3-pass shave. I've started doing 3-pass shaves just to sort of see how my skin reacts to them. So I only used to do 2 passes with the grain and across the grain, but I quite like the feeling of being clean shaven, as I said. So yeah, gonna go across the grain as well. Not across the grain, against the grain. Okay. Second pass done. Same again, rinse off, lather, third pass. I am going to get that lather out of my ear because it's starting to annoy me. That's better. Yeah, I think the lather was a little bit dry. So I know now a bit more water is required next time. Okay, third pass against the grain. Well, that feels really slick, so like, I honestly don't know. Okay, what I might do is, because my neck is quite a sensitive area, I'm just going to put a bit more lather on. I could look in the mirror to do this, but I was already looking at the phone, so tough. Okay, here we go. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not gonna go any more because I can already feel my skin here is getting a little bit sore. So I'm gonna rinse off, dry, put a nice shirt on, and then we'll come to the post-shave balm. What do you think of the shirt? Pretty snazzy, huh? Okay, so I've dried my face, pat dry, obviously, and now just for post-shave, because I find it really works for me, is just the Nivea post-shave balm. I'm just going to put a little bit on. There we are. Right, wash my pores and I'll be back. So this is the shave done. I feel better for it. It was getting a bit long, a bit scraggly. Nice to have a nice clean close shave. Thank you for watching if you're this far in. It's still this far in. I know it's probably quite a long video. The power of editing will make it shorter, but thank you very much for watching this far in. If you did enjoy it, please give me a little thumbs up. That's very much appreciated. And again, thank you for nearly 100 views on my last video. That is very, very much appreciated, and I thank you so much. So until the next time, I hope you're all having a very lovely day.